Okay, it's getting late, so I'm gonna try to do this as quickly as possible because your girl is getting tired. I've been up all day, and I'm ready to go to sleep. So one of the products that I'm most excited about is this soybean milk pad. I really don't know what this is about, but it says a minimal beauty brand that contains only the essential ingredients for the skin, made with clean and healthy ingredients. That's what I love mostly about this product. I really didn't know what to think when everything said it was made with soybean, but I know that that's a product that's like organic. And I loved the bean essence so much that I just didn't even care what they said. I was ready to try everything. Next, the Glacier water hyaluronic serum. Definitely looking forward to this because I've been having a little bit of trouble with my skin. Yeah, I've been having more than a little bit of trouble with my skin. It seems I keep getting a couple dry patches, but so far so good. I was able to clear a lot of it up. So this is how it looks. I got this neat little tray to keep all my products in. So as I'm trying them one by one, I can keep track of them. And you know, I definitely want to share with you guys all of my experiences, letting you guys know which ones I like, which ones I don't like, which ones I'm gonna keep, which ones I'm gonna buy more of. So I showed you 3 products that I really like. I didn't get to show you guys another product that I have. Oh, so they come in these neat little packets. Okay, love this. Oh, my battery is about to die. Okay, so let me start to unpack some of these, and then I'll get back to you guys with the finished look. So it's pretty exciting that all the products came in full sizes. So this is the Mixsoon Bean Cleansing Oil. This is a Centella Cleansing Foamer. This is an essence. I'm not really sure how to pronounce that one, but I'm excited about it. I'm mostly excited about the essences. I'm really becoming an essence girl. Centella Toner. 2 more essence to try. I'm really excited to see what the difference in the products are, because some of them look the same, but they have different names, so clearly they have different purposes, and I'm really excited to find out what does what. Some might smooth, some might glow. They sent me another bean essence, glow glow glow, and also a sun cream. Okay, so once again, I want to give a huge shout out to yesstyle. If you guys would like some beauty products or skincare products from yesstyle, make sure you check out the link below in the bio. Make sure you use my code CocoBanks to receive a discount, and trust me, you're gonna love it. You'll find plenty of things that you like. If you're new to this, it's a game changer. That's all I'm gonna tell you. So yeah, I figured out a little routine that I'm gonna try for tonight, or at least the products I'm gonna try first. So I am so interested in this Glacier water hyaluronic acid serum. I have to try it tonight. I'm also gonna try the Centella toner, as well as the bean essence. I'm gonna follow up with the bean essence, and then I'm going to try the sun cream after, just as a moisturizer. Are any of the beauty girls, do you ever use like your sun cream, or your, like, you know, after you're at the beach or after you come indoors, like just as a moisturizer? Like, does it even keep working if you're not in the sun? I always wondered that. And another one that I'm actually quite excited about to try is this Soondy Centella essence. So this is also one that has a little outdoor print on it, which I think kind of signifies that it's like natural ingredients. And that's another reason why I'm really excited about Mixsoon, why they're becoming one of my favorite brands, is because the natural. All the ingredients are natural, all the ingredients are readable. So yeah, the more natural the better, especially when it comes to skincare. So I'm going through my soft girl era right now, becoming more of a minimalist. So this is all new to me. But the first thing I'm actually going to be trying, so this caught my eye as soon as I opened the box, and this is a soybean milk pad. So I already love soybean products, and I know that infusing milk into your beauty routine is supposed to make the skin really soft and firm. So I'm looking to put the softness back into my facial routine. So I'm going to try this one right now while I'm filming this with you guys. So this is how it looks when you take it out the... Oh, okay, it smells good. So it says to gently swipe over the cheeks. It's probably going to take off a little bit of my concealer, which is actually good.
Ain't no reason to apologize, I'm not sorry. Who you think that I would be if I didn't want you? Let's be honest. Living like I don't have no